Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel called Kitty Programmer. Today I will be showing you this Python game called Rock, Paper and Scissors. This is how it looks like. So this is all the code. Now we will be running it. This is all the things. This is the beginning. It says welcome to Rock, Paper, Scissors. This is a reference and guide if you don't know how to play this game. So this is for us, for our game. It has R for rock, P for paper and S for scissors. And this is the guide for the computer. 1 for rock, 2 for paper and 3 for scissors. Now I will choose from these three. I'll choose P, which is paper. I get the computer wins. It says please play this game if you like it. It says I chose P and computer chose S. So S won over me. Please subscribe to my channel if you like all this. If you face any error with this Python game, please tell me in the comments below and I'll show you. This is all the code. So this is for the beginning, as I said. So from random it imports randint. This is just print for space. Then this is for the reference guide that it says. Then it says another gap. It says, so it asks the user to choose one of rock, paper and scissors. So the chosen, you have to choose between 1, 2, 3. And if the chosen is 1 by computer, then it will use R. And if it gets 2, then the computer will be P. If it gets S, then the computer will be, if it gets, or otherwise it will be S. So as we go more down, it prints computer has chosen and then the thing from computer. More down as we go, and it will say if we and the computer are same, then the answer, then it will say draw. If I am on and the computer is S, then we will get player wins. That means we win. And if I get R and the computer gets P, the answer will be computer wins. And if I get S, then P. That's how it continues up to there. And then we go down, and this is for the last bit, as you see. Please play please play this game again. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to this channel and hope you like all my videos.